Okay, so we've just finished formatting the chart area. Now let's look at removing the chart title and the legend. So first of all, we have a chart title. Um, so, there's a couple ways we could remove it. I think one is you could just left click on it and delete it. But another way to get to it is if you go to the chart design menu and come over here to the left-hand side under the chart layouts sub-ribbon and click on this little caret down in the right-hand corner. And if you left click that, you can go to chart title and put none. And then notice how the chart changes once I put the cursor over it. So the reason why you want to take the title off is because you're going to be labeling this with a caption anyway, and you want to have as much space available to show your chart, to show your data in the chart. So by clicking none, it reclaims that space for your graph from the chart title itself. So I'm going to click none there. Now, this chart does not appear to have a legend, and if we go down here to add chart elements and we go down to legend, you can see it says none. If there was a legend like one on the right, you can see where it says height and drop on the right-hand side. But we don't really need it for this one. So we're just going to leave this at none. Okay, that is all we need to do for this step, is just to remove the chart title and remove the legend. It's not necessary on this one.